Hello, my name is Siti Herawati. You can call me Hera. My student ID number is 63251122. My class is 632B01 from the undergrad accounting program at Bina Sarana Informatika University. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Peace be upon us all. Honorable lecturers of Bina Sarana University and all my friends. First of all, let us express our gratitude to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala who always give us health and the opportunity to be here today. On this occasion, I am delivering a speech themed Change the Bad Habit with the title Small Steps Toward Big Change. Have we ever felt it difficult to move forward or feel stuck in the same place? Even though we have tried and keep trying, sometimes the biggest obstacle is not from outside, but rather the bad habit we have learned. There are many bad habits that occur in our daily lives, too many to count. But let me give some example, such as 1. Procrastinating on work, whether it's cleaning the house, doing college assignment, or tasks at the workplace. 2. Lack of discipline, the habit of delaying deadlines. 3. Negative thinking that limits our potential, like judging things from a pessimistic point of view. Changing bad habits is certainly not easy. The only keys are awareness and consistency. Never try to change everything overnight. Instead, start with small steps. Replace a bad habit with the one positive action every day. Remember, what we do repeatedly is what shapes our character now and our character in the future. Let us dare to break the chains of bad habit today. Not tomorrow, not next week, but now. For the sake of better future for ourselves. That is the end of my speech. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Use to habitual past plus infinitive is grammatical structure used to express past habits. Repeat action or long-term states that occurred regularly in the past but no longer happen in the present. Key characteristics have 3: function, form, temporal, scope. Function is distinguishes past regular behavior or condition from current reality. Form, always followed by the best form of a verb infinitive without to, so, used to, contains to, the next verb is bear. Temporal scope refers exclusively to the past, no present meaning. So this is table of grammatical rules. Aspect, rule, example. Aspect for affirmative is subject plus used to plus base verb. For the example, she used to walk to school. Aspect for negative is subject plus did not or didn't used to plus base verb. For the example, they didn't used to eat meat. Aspect for interrogative is did plus subject plus used to plus base verb. For example, did you used to play the piano? So I have not for all of us. In negative and question, used become used because did already mark past tense. Distinction from other past form. Simple past is describes single completed action. For the example, I visited Paris last year. Used to is describes repeated or regular past action no longer true. For the example, I used to visit Paris every summer. Would or for past habit is similar to used to, but cannot describe past states have, be, like. For the example, I used to have a bicycle is correct. I would have a bicycle. Incorrect for state. Example number 1, habits or repeated action. When I was a child, I used to drink warm milk before bed. My father used to tell us stories every evening. Example number 2, states or long-term condition. There used to be a cinema on the street. She used to believe in ghosts. Example number 3, negative. We didn't used to own a car. We walk anywhere. Example number 4, interrogative. What sports did you used to play in high school? Comparison with related past form to avoid confusion. So this is table for structure meaning example. Structure for simple past is single or completed action. For the example, I visited Paris twice. Structure for used to is repeated or durative past action, state, now finish it. For the example, I used to Paris every spring. Structure for would is repeated past action only, no states. For the example, we would swim every morning. It's correct. We would have a pool. It's incorrect. Structure for past continuous is action in progress at a specific past time. For the example, I was writing a letter at 8 p.m. So, for the last slide, I have practiced exercise with answer key. For the task, complete each sentence with the correct form of used to plus the verb in parentheses. Use negative or interrogative where indicated. Practice exercise number 1. Before smartphones, we memorize dozens of phone numbers. Number 2. My uncle not or eat vegetables at all when he was young. Number 3. Your grandmother or tell you stories about her childhood. Number 4. There be a quiet park here. Now it's a parking lot. Number 5. I think that adulthood was endlessly exciting. Answer keys for number 1. Used to memorize. Number 2. Did not used to eat or didn't used to eat. Number 3. Did your grandmother used to tell? Number 4. Used to be. Number 5. Used to think. That's all for my presentation. Thank you for attention. Bye bye.